I'm Dr. Beate Egner, the CEO of the Veterinary Academy of Higher Learning. For over 20 years, we are successfully working in the field of continued education with academic partnerships in all continents. We proudly present, for example, the program of the University of Tennessee, like the Certified Canine and the Certified Equine Rehabilitation Program, the CCMT, and many more. We also produce our own certified programs, which you can find on our platform. Besides that, we want to offer you solutions, and that means that we also work on state-of-the-art books, interactive with tutorial videos, like the essential facts of physical medicine, rehabilitation and sports medicine in companion animals, and something new is currently in writing for the equine area as well. We work on a lot of different subjects, so be alerted and watch out for more. For now, I would like to introduce you to our keynote speakers of the CERP, the CCRP and the CCMT to get a first idea of what to expect.
Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Adair. I'm an associate professor at the University of Tennessee College of Veterinary Medicine, and I am the director of the Equine Rehabilitation Program. I would like to welcome you to the European College of Veterinary Sports Medicine and Rehabilitation annual meeting. It looks to be an excellent program. The field of equine rehabilitation is in its infancy, and we have a great deal to learn. That's why we are committed to providing the best learning experience we can. The Certified Equine Rehabilitation Program covers all aspects of equine rehabilitation and provides a foundation for you to build upon as an equine rehabilitation practitioner. I hope you share my enthusiasm for equine rehabilitation and strive to learn all you can about this growing field. The Veterinary Academy of Higher Learning is continuing to set up new locations for the program. Join us at one of our global locations. We look forward to seeing you there. Stay safe and hopefully look forward to a return to a more normal life in the near future. Have a great day.
Hi, this is Dr. Levine from the University of Tennessee. I'm just going to take a minute of your time to talk about the CCMT program, or the Certified Canine Manual Therapist. If you're looking for some new interventions to apply in canine rehabilitation, this course is designed to teach advanced principles of manual therapy, including massage and soft tissue mobilization and joint mobilization with an emphasis on the extremities and the spine. So if you're looking for maybe adding something to your practice in terms of a new intervention, check out the CCMT program.
Hi, I'm Dr. Darrell Millis from the University of Tennessee, and I'd like to invite you to join us in the Certified Canine Rehabilitation Practitioner Program. This is a state-of-the-art program that's taught worldwide by specialists in a variety of areas, but all related to veterinary physiotherapy. We have online content as well as live labs, and our program and instructors are second to none. So I invite you to join us for the Certified Canine Rehabilitation Practitioner Program through the University of Tennessee and the Veterinary Academy of Higher Learning. See you there.
So why don't you visit our website, which is vahl.vet. I would love to meet you at one of our programs. See you hopefully soon. Bye-bye.